Hi, I'm Wongster 1970. Today I'm going to be replacing the fuel tank and the muffler on my Craftsman push mower. Let's get started. Okay, as you can see, one of the bolts here vibrated loose, so this one isn't in here by much. I'm hoping that it didn't do any damage to the block itself, because then I'll be getting a helicoil. Repairing the threads. So there's our old muffler off. This is the new one. Got a new gasket on there. Looks like the old gasket might still be on there. No, it's not. Let me get a little sandpaper and clean that up. The new bolts and the retainer. Put the bolts on the retainer. Slide them through there. So we're going to line her up. Good. This takes a 7/8 socket. Just going to snug them down. I don't have to get crazy tight with it. There we go. Seems good. Let me get a pair of pliers so I can push these tabs over so it'll stay in place. Okay, I'm going to use my duckbill pliers here. Squeeze the tab over so it won't vibrate loose. It should be good. Okay, I put these bolts here so I don't lose them. Move them out of the way. My tank had developed a crack in it, which is common for these. I think it was down around here. This one bolt goes in. But I'm going to replace the fuel line while I have it off. So do that. I get in here with my pliers. Off the other end. There we go. Now I've got to move the cable, or move the string out of the way. Move this pull cord up through here. Still got a little bit of gas in the tank. And got some 1/4-inch fuel line somewhere around here. I'm going to use these tin snips. Cut this to length. This is new line, it's just a little dirty. Right there. That's about right. Go. Save the rest of that for later. Move my clamps over. There's one. There's the other. I can dispose of this line, and I'll get the other tank. This is a replacement tank. It is a Briggs & Stratton 699-374. with the spacer, which I believe this is the one that was on the old tank. It is the same depth, so I'm just going to use this new one. I need my fuel line. I'm going to put that one end on here. But I'll just jam it right on there. There's one end. Feed that through here. The other end on here. Go. Make sure nothing's in the way. Slide this back up on there. Make sure there's no kink in the line. Line seems good. Everything's sitting in there nice. There's a little pin right here, plastic pin up in here that sits in that groove, in that hole. I'll line that up. It seems like I just lost my spacer. Get these started. I thought they were all started. I'm going to put this bolt in too. Goes down underneath the tank. Make sure that little spacer's still in there. Okay. I'm going to get a 5/16 socket. And I'll tighten these down, and the other one should be a 3/8 or 7/16. These bolts should be a 5/16. $8mm would work too. Make sure that the pins lined up. You don't end up crushing it. And then this one, let's see if this other one's a 3/8. Yep. Good. You get the other cover. You got these two bolts here that go in there. I'll take a Phillips. Here's the cover. Go right like that. And the cord, pull rope back through here. Go. Now I got to put the pull rope back up through here. And what he's got to do is pull on that. Go. Now all I got to do is fuel it up and make sure it starts up. Okay, if I got everything right, it should take like 5 pumps. And pull the rope, pull the bail, pull the rope, and start. That'll do it. That is replacing the fuel tank and the muffler on my Craftsman push mower. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.